Hello guys, welcome to Wire Network. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the step-by-step process of setting up an SSH server on Ubuntu 24.04. The first thing you need to do before you start installing SSH on Ubuntu is to update all apt packages to the latest versions. To do this, use the following command. To update and upgrade the latest apt packages, please execute the command provided below. Next, enter your user password. Step 2. Install SSH on Ubuntu. OpenSSH is not pre-installed on the system, so let's install it manually. To do this, type in the terminal sudo apt install OpenSSH Server. The installation of all the necessary components will begin. Answer yes to all the system prompts. Step 3. Start SSH. Now you need to enable the service you just installed using the command below. Step 4. Configure the firewall. Before connecting to the server via SSH, check the firewall to ensure it is configured correctly. Run the sudo ufw allow SSH command to allow SSH through firewall. Step 5. Connect the Ubuntu machine through SSH. The first step is to identify the IP address of the Ubuntu machine. Next, open PuTTY application on your Windows machine. Enter your IP address of the Ubuntu machine. Next, enter SSH default port. Next, log in Ubuntu by entering your username and password.